to use the program, we will decompress the zip file into any folder of our C drive. Like here, we have put it everything in FC4. We double click on the X file, and the first thing that we will do, if needed, is to change the language. We're gonna change to English with International System Units, and then click this, and then we will have the program working in English. Second, we need to change, if needed, the location coordinates, latitude and longitude. These correspond to Cordoba in Spain. Then we will choose the crops in the rotation. We can have a single crop, and then we would assume that the crop is that the rotation is a monocrop, or we can have more than one crop. For instance, we're gonna grow a rotation with wheat, durum wheat. Click on plus to add it to the rotation with a yield of 4.5 tons. Then we're gonna add some flour, click SU, and then some flour for oil, click on plus, and then we're gonna have a yield of 3 tons. We're gonna burn the residues for wheat, and we are in a rain-fed area, and the soil type is clay loam. We are using tillage, so we keep this, but we don't have the concentrations of phosphorus or potassium in the soil. In that case, the only strategy allowed is that of maintenance. Click on the arrow, and then we introduce the products for the first crop in the rotation, the wheat. If we click here for NPK, we will see all the complex fertilizers ordered by its matching the requirements for NPK. As a basal fertilizer, we will choose the first in the list, click plus to add it, and it will be incorporated before planting. Then here we will choose another fertilizer to supplement nitrogen as top dressing. I use magnesium nitrate, click on plus, and then it will not be incorporated, and it won't be before planting. Click on the arrow, we go to the second crop in the rotation, sunflower. Open here, and we will choose the first one, which is the best for this situation. Click on plus to add it to the rotation, and then we will keep magnesium nitrate as it was. Then click on the arrow, and we will receive the results of the program with each fertilizer and its amount, and the total cost for each of the 2 crops in the rotation. Then we will see the losses of nitrogen due to volatilization, denitrification, leaching, and also we will see the acidification expressed as kilograms of calcium carbonate per hectare. This is the equivalent amount of calcium carbonate that we should add to neutralize that acidification. If the value is negative, it means that the pH is increasing, so the soil is not acidifying but basifying. And here we have the rotation balance for all the nutrients that we have considered. Here we see a huge surplus of magnesium, as we are using magnesium nitrate, and a surplus of sulfur. We can go and choose more fertilizers, and clicking here, we will go first to the first crop in the rotation. Now we will select the second